In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a negative keyword list for Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and give the dashboard a moment to fully load. It's important to wait until the overview page is completely ready so everything appears correctly and you can navigate without issues. From the left-hand menu, click on Campaigns. Then choose the specific campaign where you want to manage negative keywords. This matters because negative keyword settings can affect where and when your ads appear, so you want to be sure you're working in the right campaign from the start. Next, click Audience, Keywords, and Content in the menu. After that, select Search Keywords, and then click Negative Search Keywords. This is the section where you can review and manage the terms you want to block from triggering your ads. Take a moment to review any existing negative keywords that have already been applied. This helps you avoid duplication and gives you a better understanding of the exclusions that are already in place. Once you've reviewed them, click the plus button to create a new negative keyword list. If prompted, enter a name for your negative keyword list. Choose a name that makes sense and will be easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple lists for different campaigns or themes. Now type the keywords or phrases you want to exclude from triggering your ads. Add each negative keyword on a separate line, or use the provided field exactly as shown in Google Ads. Be careful during this step because the keywords you enter here can prevent your ads from showing for certain searches. Before saving, review the list carefully to make sure you are not excluding valuable traffic. This is one of the most important parts of the process. A strong negative keyword list helps reduce irrelevant clicks, but if you block too much, you could limit useful searches as well. When everything looks correct, click Save to create the negative keyword list. Then apply the list to the appropriate campaign or ad group, depending on where you want those exclusions to take effect. Wait a moment for Google Ads to process the changes. After that, verify that the negative keyword list appears in your account. Once it's active, continue monitoring your search terms report regularly. This helps you spot irrelevant queries and refine your targeting over time. As your campaign performance evolves, update the negative keyword list as needed to improve targeting and reduce irrelevant traffic. Thanks for watching.